Planada na ngayong Biyernes, August 8 ang isang pasabog na automotive event sa Marquee Mall, Angeles City dahil opisyal nang ipinakilala ng Laus Auto Group ang all-new Ford Territory Hybrid, isang SUV na swak sa lifestyle ng mga Pinoy na gusto ng style, performance, cost efficiency at sustainability. With its sleek design and high-tech features, talaga namang stand out ang all-new Ford Territory Hybrid.
For this new model na Ford Territory, it's not the usual gasoline. So for now, we have the full hybrid electric vehicle. So Ford now uses the ICE engine and now it's powered with electronic engine. So for fuel consumption, ranging around 19 kilometers per liter. So very efficient na ang ating mga new models. Also for the added safety features.
The all-new Ford Territory Hybrid is available in two variants, the Ford Territory Trend and Ford Territory Titanium X, each offering a unique balance of style, performance, and fuel efficiency tailored to different driving preferences.
For the two differences ng two variants natin, the Titanium X, which is yung top variant natin or top of the line variant for the Territory Hybrid. So it has bigger tire size, it includes moonroof, and also for the interior, yung seats niya ay leather. Compared to the Trend variant is vinyl ang ginagamit.
Mabibili ang Trend variant ng all-new Ford Territory Hybrid ng 1,399,000 pesos, habang ang Titanium X naman ay nasa 1,599,000 pesos na parehong may special promos ngayong launch period. Samantala, present sa nasabing launching ang kinatawan ng Laus Auto Group na si Froilan Daitankin. Aniya, bahagi ng mandato ng Laus Auto Group ang magdala ng makabagong sasakyan gaya ng all-new Ford Territory Hybrid. Hindi lang ito fuel efficient, kundi malaking tulong din sa pangangalaga ng kapaligiran.
I believe this is something that they are also looking forward to be able to sell more on the product given the popularity now of green energy vehicles like hybrid electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles.
Dagdag pa niya, tiyak na mas marami pang hybrid vehicles ang idaragdag sa portfolio ng Laus Auto Group sa mga darating na taon. Pagdating naman sa after-sales service, worry no more! Handang-handa na ang Laus Auto Group sa pagbibigay ng dekalidad na maintenance at technical support na sinusuportahan ng kanilang trained professionals at modern facilities para sa hybrid vehicles.
Especially for Ford, there's no issue with regards to after sales, no. And I would say for the Laus Group, I think our after sales support has been one of the strengths of the Laus Group in order to capture the satisfaction of Ford owners.
Para sa mga interesadong masubukan ang powered and efficiency ng hybrid na Ford Territory, maaaring bumisita sa Ford Pampanga at Ford Clark ng Laus Auto Group. At yan ang ating Laus Auto News. Danica Gino, CLTV 36 News.